Welcome, fellow creators, it's YV3D here. We've got something special to show you today. It's our latest creation, Procedural Material Add-on on Blender Market. Once you've installed the add-on, look for YV3D on the side panel. Click on it and magic unfolds, offering you a choice of 13 different categories. All materials have their unique settings to make them look all different, only limit is your creativity. Let's dive deeper. We're going to show you some tantalizing samples from each category. Our first category is abstract. Second on the list, buildings. On third spot, we got some nice camouflage materials. For next we have the inevitable emission shaders, some with animations. The most exciting category, exclusive. Here you can find materials with the most customizable settings. Following category is glass shader. Working with Evive and Cycles render. Checkered, dusty, tinted or broken. Have it all. Next on the list are metallic shaders. Following category is plastic. There would be no material add-on without sci-fi shaders. You also can find some smart materials with animatable futures or edge detection. Moving on, we find one of the biggest category, surface materials. Just around the end we find some terrazzo materials. And for last but not least, procedural wood shaders. Materials has all type of different settings, Some are animated, so simply press play button and check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope to see your creation soon. Search for YV3D on Blender Market to check out the add-on. Now is a demo version available to try it out first.